Hello my friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out these 200-piece Fender clips. So these are like fasteners, super handy. So we have a whole bunch of these, and these are actually pretty much universal for most cars use these. What are the odds that that would trigger my that would turn off my record button? So obviously pretty good because it did it. But this comes with a nice little, this is like a metal tool here, and easy for getting up underneath these. So let's check out one of these. And if you're familiar with these for cars and stuff, what they do is generally there's two pieces of plastic of your car, like maybe the undercarriage and the top part. It's usually generally used to fasten the two plastic parts together. So this just goes up between a hole in them, and then you push this, and that widens this out right here, and that's going to snap into place, and that's going to push those two pieces of plastic together, as we can see right there. And then to get these off of there, you would just use this little pry tool. You can generally just get that up underneath there on the side and loosen that up. And then once you get it up high enough, you can get your tool all the way under there and pop those off of there, just like this. So, and sometimes they're reusable as well if you don't break it. But a lot of times these will break. That's why they're nice to have these to replacement. So if you do any kind of work or anything on vehicles by yourself, super handy to have these. I know I'm going to need to put in a couple of these on my cars. I have a few that are missing them, and so this is just going to help hold the pieces together better. If there's like if you're driving and you don't have enough of these in that's holding the plastic on, that could actually tear off, maybe catch some air and rip off or something like that. So it's important to have these on there just to minimize that from happening, and also from stopping from less vibration and things like that on your vehicle making noise. So yeah, I'm gonna go find a couple spots so we can do that and show you guys how to put it on there. But super handy if you work on cars at all, SUVs, things like that. A lot of things utilize these, and definitely I've needed these multiple times when working on my vehicles. I've actually taken a couple off before with a screwdriver and broken it, and then didn't have a replacement. So it's just like, well, I hope it's okay, you know. But now I do have replacements. I can go put these on. So let's go see how that works. All right, so here we go. I have this on my Tundra. You can see that that's pretty loose there. So we just take our little tool here, pop that up, and then remove that. And we can see that that middle part has been busted off, so it wasn't really holding that in tightly. So we can chuck that and get our new one. Press that down in there, and look at that. Now it's a lot more solid, not rattling around like it was before. That's like locked in there a lot better. So even though this isn't like exactly the same size, the amount that, because this one was broken here and it was clearly, you know, some of these get old and they don't hold as well, and so like a new replacement is just as easy, just snapping it in there. So I think on a couple of my cars I have them, but these are super handy. And having this many, if you do some replacements, if I need to take my grill off and I take this off and this happens to break off, then you have extras like that. So it's super handy whether you're working on your truck or your van or your car or your off-roader. Most vehicles have these on them to keep the plastic in place. So yeah. Anyways, my friends, thanks so much for watching this video. Hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.